Hello, my friend John Michaelides, Real Property Management of Sarasota, Manatee. Did you know that one of the greatest causes for air conditioning and heating system service calls in Florida is improperly maintained AC filters? It's such a simple thing. They cost a few bucks. You need to change them every 45 days or so. If you do that, you dramatically decrease the chances of having maintenance issues with your air conditioning and heating system, and you could dramatically extend the life of your system by years. Now, we at Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee take a proactive approach. So all of our properties we deliver on a quarterly basis, the right sized AC filters for your property straight to the door of the tenant. The tenant gets the right sized filters delivered to their door quarterly, so there's absolutely no excuse that the filters aren't changed regularly. And guess what? There's absolutely no cost to the owner whatsoever for this exclusive service. It's just another way that we at Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee take care of our owners and watch out for their best interests. Take care and God bless you. Bye-bye.